Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I do my calcium for my birds. There's just different ways how to do calcium, but in my way, I do it like this. As you can see, I have one of these. I have a bunch of them. I'm gonna use two, and these are the calcium bars for like birds, for like pet birds, for like for example for parakeets, budgies, finches, all those birds that people keep for pets. So they look like something like that. There's just a basic calcium bar, like they say, and of course some pigeons can get this out of here, but this is so hard that I don't think so. But we're gonna help them out today. So as you can see, we have a little stand here, we have a little calcium here. We're gonna use a rock because we're gonna need something to crush these guys, and a container where we can put them in afterwards. This is my dog's container. It has some little paws in it, but it still works good for it. So let's start. What we're gonna do is we're gonna crush them. What you wanna do first though is clean like the bottom. But I already cleaned this out. But that's what you wanna do. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna kind of have to stay like a powder kinda, for the birds can actually chew, can eat it, and that makes calcium for their eggs. But you can also give them for calcium. You can also give them egg, boiled eggs. You can actually give them that. That works great for calcium for their eggs and stuff. I usually give them this when they have eggs, or when they are in the process of having eggs. I give them this for the egg can be healthy and strong when it comes out of the egg. The squab, when it comes out of the egg, can be healthy and strong. So this is what I would normally do. I will crush all this up. I won't show you that because that's gonna be really long. But I will crush these both out and make like a powder basis like this. And afterwards, I'm gonna put in this container. I'll give it to the birds. I'll give it to a separate container for the birds can get it in from that. And that's how I do this. You can use you can boil eggs and put them in there, and they will eat it. They will eat it because that's really soft, so they can eat it. The shells, I don't normally give them egg shells. I just give them the egg from inside, and so that's what I do for calcium, guys. There's a bunch of ways how to do it for calcium, and if this is a good way, just tell me. If it's a better way, just tell me. I'll understand and give me some, some tips and stuff how you guys do calcium for your pigeons. You can buy calcium for them, and it's just easier. But this is just easier for me. It works for me, so the eggs come good and stuff like that. They actually do hatch and stuff, and right here, we're in the process of my pigeon eggs hatching. Today is the 18th day that they will be hatching, and I probably think they will be hatching. They are they have a little hole in there. I don't know if they're hatching right now, but they will be hatching pretty soon, and I'll put out another video. But that's how I do my things, guys. Hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe, and that's what I do, guys. See you later. Goodbye.
Enter a new